Right, question 5. In a survey, Wendy asked 9 of her friends how many foreign countries they had visited. Here are her results, and we've got this sort of random, seemingly random set of numbers. Find the mode of her results. Okay. Now the mode means most common. Okay. Now I always think of it. I always remember it by realizing that the first 2 letters there are M-O and the first 2 letters here are M-O as well. Okay. Now, so the most common number basically. Well, we've got 7. We've got 1 7. We've got 3 3s. Okay, 1 2 3 3s. 1 4, 1 9, 1 10, 1 2, and 2 4s. Okay, so it's obviously going to be the 3s because there are more 3s than anything else. Okay. Work out the mean. How do we work out the mean? Okay. Well, the mean you add up all the numbers and then you divide by how many, don't we? Okay. And that's the way I know that most of you remember it, and that's absolutely fine. So we need to add up all these numbers. We've got 7 and 3 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 17, 26, 36, 38, 38, 41, 45 I make that. So okay. So we've got 45 all over. How many? Well, actually, we don't need to add them up because we know there's 9 because it's in the question. There are 9. Okay. Always check these questions when you're dealing with averages and things, because they often tell you what the totals are in the question, or some of them. So use those rather than, because obviously you might make a mistake. Okay. So I'm going to do 9. Okay. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. So it's going to be 5. Okay. Yeah, they could have asked you to work out the median, and if they'd asked you to work out the median, you would have to put these in order first, wouldn't you? And then you'd find out where the middle one was. Okay. They could have asked you to find the range of these numbers, in which case you would have looked at which one is the biggest, which is the 10, and you would look at which one is the smallest, which is the 2, and you would do 10 minus 2, which is 8, and that would be our range. Okay. Right, on to the next video.